Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me, and we are going to prepare this amazing Escovitch lobster. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. So here I have my lobster. It is already cleaned and washed nicely. So I'm gonna go in and add some powdered seasoning. Normally for fish I only add black pepper and salt, but for the lobster I'm gonna add some fish seasoning. I will also add some black pepper, a little bit of paprika, and you can always go ahead and add a little bit of seasoned salt if you have it at home. After I add all of that seasoning, it's time to go ahead and combine everything well, and then I'm going to cover it and just put it in the fridge for roughly about 20 minutes. Now, all of these ingredients, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and just utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local fish market, and yes, you will get fresh lobster there as well. You can have this with some bami, you can have it with festival, whatever you have at home. Just be creative. You know what your family love, so just work with what your appetite is telling you. This was really quick and easy, 30 minutes and I'm out of the kitchen just like that. I do have a video on my channel for the Escovitch sauce. I will leave the link down below. You can always go ahead and check that out and let me know what you think. So I went ahead and put on my pot on the stove, allow it to hot, and then I went in and add some Scotch bonnet pepper because we want this to be spicy and nice. Once it's nicely hot, we're going to go in and add the lobster, and yes, we turn our stove on medium heat, and we're just going to allow this to fry until it is golden brown, and then we're going to come back and flip it over on the other side, and I will also show you guys the final product. So once my lobster is fried nicely on one side, it's time to go ahead and flip it over on the other side. And just a word of caution, try to be careful because you don't want the oil to splash and burn you. So make sure that you drain and pat dry your lobster well, and make sure that you just take your time and flip it over on the other side. So I went ahead already and just lined my plate with paper towel because yes, we want the excess oil from the lobster to drain. So what we're going to do, take up the lobster, drain that excess oil, and then we're just going to place it on the plate that is lined with paper towel. And yes, we're going to go ahead and just finish up the rest of the lobster. So it's the same procedure. We're just going to go ahead and just put down the lobster in the hot oil and allow it to fry. And again, you want to make sure that you take your time because you don't want it to splash and burn you. So we're just gonna pour the Escovitch sauce all over the lobster, and then I'll show you guys the final product. So stay tuned for all of that goodness, and you can let me know in the comment section if you prefer to have Escovitch lobster or some brown stew lobster, whatever. Just let me know. And this is the final product of my amazing Escovitch lobster. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Bye guys.